In this video, we are going to see that if your Bluetooth headphones are not being connected or not being found here, whenever you're trying to add a device on a Bluetooth, it says couldn't connect or couldn't find it. Here are a couple of solutions that might help. First of all, just press Windows R or just go to Run option. And right here, services.msc, open that up. And once we are in here, just type B on your keyboard so that it can take you directly to the B category and look for Bluetooth support service. Here it is. Double click on that and make sure here the startup type should be set to automatic, and also check the service status if it is stopped or played. If it is stopped, click on start and then hit apply and OK. And if it still doesn't show any status or it's not running, you can try restarting the services from here. Just close out of here after doing all these settings. Click on restart your computer once and just check if that helps to connect with your headphones. It will now definitely detect your headphones in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.